All right, so shout out to my sister-in-law, Whitney, for getting me this You and Me Fruit Tool Set 10-pack. Today we're gonna be testing out, wait, I should do the intro. Hello, fruit friends. Hello, fruit fans. Today we're reviewing this, one of the tools from this tool pack. We're gonna be reviewing the watermelon cutter. I've got a watermelon right here. I didn't know they came this small, but apparently they do. So let's crack on into it. All right, so if you've never had a watermelon before, that's too bad. You should get one. You should try one. I believe they are in the melon family. And that is about all I know. I'm gonna try cutting it this way, I think. And yeah, oh wow, it just cuts right open. There we go. There you have it, folks. It is a real watermelon. That is a real watermelon. Very cool. Red, as you can see, black seeds. Let's take a smell. Smells like watermelon. Really tired today, folks, so if you don't know what a watermelon smells like, that's really just too darn bad. You're gonna have to try one. They've been at every grocery store I've ever been to. So, break in here together. It's my first time opening it. And we've got a nice, lovely assortment of fruit gadgets. I'm looking for the watermelon tool. Here it is. Here's the watermelon tool. You ever seen one of these? I got a treat for you if you haven't. This is a watermelon tool, and you use it on watermelon. Truthfully, all I know is that this is a watermelon tool that you use on watermelons. I don't know how to use it, but figure it out together. And we've got the watermelon tool here. And I'm gonna go in like this, I think. Yep. Oh yeah. I think that's what you do. I think that, and then you can squeeze it. There we go, look at that. Woo-hoo, yeah. Yep. Yep. Like I said, just gonna keep it quick. We'll give this this juicy beast a try. This is probably high water content. As you can see, it's dripping red water, red juice. And like I said, if you've never tried it before, that's on you. You gotta get one, try it. They're pretty good. They taste, I'll give it a go. Here we go. Yep. Nope, I'm not doing it tonight. It's good, watery, delicious, tastes like a watermelon. Tool worked well. I'll give you a couple more shots of the tool. Okay, here we go. And here, and that's all that's all there is to it. So my friends, hope you enjoyed the twofer. That's all for now. Fruit Man out. I'm back real quick. Look at all that water that's in there. I don't know where that came from. That is some juicy watermelon.